Welcome to adding integers. This can be very straightforward because the rules are very easy to remember. So the same sign, when we're adding integers, if the signs are the same, whether positive or negative, we add the numbers and keep the sign. Positive and positive, keep the positive sign. Negative and negative, keep the negative sign. However, if the signs are different, we subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger number. So a positive and a negative is equal to a positive if the larger number is positive. A positive and a negative will give you a negative if the larger number is negative. So let's go into practice. Our first example, positive 8 and positive 9 and positive 8. Positive and positive, remember we add the numbers and keep the sign, so this will be positive and we'll have a positive sign. So 9 and 8, 17, and that is a positive 17. It's a positive 17 because this is positive. If the number doesn't have a sign, that means it is positive. So this is 17. When it is positive, we don't have to put the positive in front of it. Next, we have two same signs, negative and negative. And it says we are supposed to add. So let's add 9 plus 8, 17. And because they're the same sign, negative and negative is equal to negative. So that is negative 17. Next, we have a negative and a positive. Two different signs. When it is two different signs, we have to subtract. Even though we are adding, but we have to subtract. That is a rule. We subtract the numbers. So 8 take away 9 is 1. 8 take away 9 is 1. But two different signs. The larger number is negative. The larger number is negative, so the answer will keep the negative sign. So negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. Next, 9 plus 8. 9 plus negative 8. So here again we have two different signs because this is a positive and this is a negative. And when it is two different signs, we have to subtract the numbers. So 9 take away 8 is equal to 1. But the larger number is 9 is a larger number. So the larger number is positive. So we're going to keep the positive sign. So that is equal to 1. And there you have it. Once more the rule. When we're adding integers, we add the numbers, the same sign, we add the numbers and keep the sign. That is, positive and positive is equal to positive, negative and negative is equal to negative. If the signs are different, we subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger number. So a larger positive number and a negative is equal to a positive result. A positive number and a larger negative number is equal to a negative result. And there you have it. I hope you find this very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.